listings are 79, back on market 15. We're going to see more homes back on market as the market heats up. Why is that? Joey and Carrie probably know this one from past experience. What happens as the market gets more competitive? Buyers do what? They start to make offers faster or slower, too fast, which creates what? Buyer regret. Good job, you guys are super fast today. When we have buyer regret, are they more likely to stay in contract or get out of contract?
Get out of contract.
They get out of Dodge.
Well, and sellers, I think, also feel comfortable telling buyers.
Oh man, is that not the truth?
You want a new roof, and it's back on the market, and they're under contract again next weekend.
Yeah.
You just said it beautifully.
Happy to walk or tell other people to go ahead and walk.
Yes. Price reduced, 54. Still a very high number of price reductions for a market that's this active. I would have thought that would have settled down by now. And we're seeing the number was 68 2 weeks ago, 45, down a little bit last week. We're back up to 54. As we just discussed, price reductions are where the gold is right now for buyers looking for gems, looking in the price reduced homes.
And then fight Steph for them.
And then fight me for them. Yeah, I'll tell you, it's really fun. All you need to do is, when you can sort that list. You all know how to sort that list in the MLS. Then take the address, use county records to find how much the owner owes. We've done that in here, okay? Then you can figure out their equity position, and you know what your buyer's criteria is. I take the equity position, figure out what's a good strategy for my buyer, whether it's worth pursuing or not, shorten the list, and then I sent it to them. Pendings, 123, sold 73, and canceled 8. So here's some information for this week to keep in mind for your clients. The national news this week keeps talking about how pending sales went down. We're going to see price reductions coming.
That doesn't sound like reality.
It's not. It's not.
I don't think so. Not here.
That's not what we're seeing in Kitsap. We're just not seeing the data for that. Pending home sales are holding steady. Solds are holding steady. Prices seem to be inching slightly up and increasing because our inventory, our buyer activity is strong. At any point, if rates start to inch up, then we might see prices dip down. Days on market are holding steady. So we've got residential inventory at 499 with condos 521. So inventory is creeping up a little bit. That is most likely because we have an increase in listings that have entered the market in the last few weeks. However, pendings have held steady. They didn't decrease, they also didn't increase, which tells us that the buyer demand might not be as strong as people think it is. Did you follow that? If we had strong buyer demand, they would have gobbled up the new listings and kept the inventory low.
Funds would have been ringing off the hook.
Yeah, so something's going on.
What's the inventory right now?
499. We're just about ready to break the 500. So we've got some mixed messages. We have in our housing stats this week. Our median home price is increasing. Our solds breakdown, we have 87% of homes selling at or above list price, which indicates a seller's market, yet we don't have the buyers buying up the new listing inventory to keep the inventory levels going down.